Hello, retirement-ready rock stars. Welcome to your 60s, a decade of big decisions, endless paperwork, and hopefully some excitement about those golden years. Whether you're confidently cruising toward retirement or feeling like a deer in headlights, we're here to guide you through this pivotal time. Let's dive in. First things first, are you actually ready to retire? And I don't just mean emotionally, though that's a biggie. I'm talking financially, because Netflix marathons and travel plans don't pay for themselves. Quick checklist. 1. Do you have enough savings to last 20, 30 years? 2. Have you accounted for healthcare costs? 3. Do you have a solid social security plan? 4. Do you even want to stop working, or will you get bored and start a birdhouse business? If you're unsure about any of these, don't panic. There's still time to tweak your plan. Unless you're planning to retire tomorrow, in which case, yikes. Social Security, the eternal question of when to start collecting. Do you grab the cash at 62, wait until full retirement age, or hold out until 70 for the big bucks? Quick math. Starting at 62. Smaller monthly checks, but more years of payments. Waiting until 70. Bigger monthly checks, but fewer years of payments. Think of it like cake. Do you want a smaller slice now, or a giant slice later? Just don't forget, life doesn't come with a guaranteed expiration date. If you're healthy and can wait, go for the bigger slice. But if you're worried about health or just really love cake, 62 might be your sweet spot. Let's talk healthcare, because nothing says relaxing retirement like navigating Medicare. The average couple will spend around $315,000 on healthcare in retirement. And yes, that's enough to make anyone choke on their coffee. Tips. 1. Enroll in Medicare at 65 to avoid penalties. 2. Consider Medigap or Medicare Advantage for additional coverage. 3. Plan for long-term care, because nursing homes aren't cheap, and if you're thinking, I'll just stay healthy forever, well, that's adorable. But maybe have a backup plan. Your 60s are all about protecting what you've built. This isn't the time to bet everything on the next hot tech stock, unless you like living dangerously. Tips. Shift towards safer investments like bonds or dividend-paying stocks. Keep some growth-oriented investments for inflation protection. Maintain enough cash for 1 to 2 years of living expenses. Think of it like downsizing your wardrobe. Keep the essentials, ditch the risky trends, and make room for comfortable shoes, or in this case, comfortable investments. Once you hit age 73 or 75, depending on the latest laws, Uncle Sam wants his cut of your tax-deferred accounts. Enter the world of required minimum distributions, or as I like to call it, the government's Thanks for Saving, Now Pay Up program. Tips. Know your RMD start date. Calculate your RMD based on your account balance and life expectancy. Plan ahead to avoid getting bumped into a higher tax bracket. And whatever you do, don't miss your RMD. The penalty is 25%, enough to make anyone double-check their math. Your 60s are the perfect time to assess your lifestyle. Do you really need a 5-bedroom house now that the kids are gone? Downsizing can free up cash and reduce expenses. Benefits. 1. Lower utility and maintenance costs. 2. Extra cash for travel or hobbies. 3. Less stuff to clean. And let's be real, half the stuff in your attic hasn't been touched since 1993. It's time to let go of the lava lamp collection. Don't forget about your legacy. Your 60s are the time to get serious about wills, trusts, and making sure your hard-earned money goes where you want it to. Tips. Update your will and beneficiaries. Consider a living trust to avoid probate. Talk to your family about your wishes. And no, you don't have to leave everything to your cat, unless Fluffy really earned it. Retirement planning isn't just about numbers. It's about creating the life you want. Make time for hobbies, travel, and spending time with loved ones. After all, you didn't save all this money just to sit around watching infomercials. Your 60s are your final sprint to the retirement finish line. With a little planning and a lot of focus, you'll be ready to enjoy those golden years without a care in the world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your fellow 60-somethings or anyone who needs a nudge toward retirement planning.